Are you comparing car seat covers for your vehicle? Let's see how Oasis Auto stands out. Regular seat covers, limited styles, basic protection. Oasis Auto, over 50 colors and designs available. Most covers, one size fits all, poor fit, loose edges. Oasis Auto, universal fit for sedans, SUVs, trucks. Regular covers, generic look, doesn't match interiors. Oasis Auto, authentic after-install look, stylish finish. Other covers? Tricky installation, unclear instructions. Oasis Auto, step-by-step YouTube installation guide. Regular covers, basic materials, minimal durability. Oasis Auto, premium waterproof faux leather material. Ordinary covers, not always airbag compatible. Oasis Auto, airbag compatible, safe for all vehicles. Other covers, limited compatibility, few options. Oasis Auto, fits four-door sedans, SUVs, small trucks. Regular covers, no custom fit options. Oasis Auto, custom fit covers for 30+ vehicle models. Other covers, faded quickly, little protection. Oasis Auto, protects seats, covers up old interiors. Regular covers, uncomfortable, poor ergonomics.
Oasis Auto, ergonomic design, comfort for drivers.
Other covers, hard to clean, absorbs spills. Oasis Auto, waterproof, easy to wipe clean.
Regular covers, plain colors, limited choices.
Oasis Auto, multiple stylish designs available. Other covers, no guarantee, risky purchase.
Oasis Auto, 30-day Amazon Prime money-back guarantee.
Regular covers, complicated returns, hassle. Oasis Auto, simple, hassle-free returns. Other covers, minimal support, no guidance. Oasis Auto, installation video, customer support. Regular covers, don't transform your car's look. Oasis Auto refreshes and upgrades your interior. Let's compare the visual differences. Image 0. Oasis Auto's high-quality, ergonomic design. Image 1. Premium black leather, waterproof, wear-resistant. Image 2. Universal fit, airbag compatibility, detachable headrests. Image 3. Enhanced durability, easy installation process. Image 4/4. Multiple stylish designs, comfort and protection. Regular covers, basic look, limited protection. Oasis Auto, luxury appearance, superior seat protection. Regular covers, uncomfortable for long drives. Oasis Auto, designed for comfort, ideal for all drivers. Other covers, not suitable for business or private cars.
Oasis Auto, perfect for business vehicles and private cars.
Regular covers, may not fit pickup trucks or vans. Oasis Auto, fits sedans, SUVs, trucks and vans. Regular covers, no warranty, uncertain quality. Oasis Auto, risk-free purchase, Oasis Promise. Summary: Oasis Auto offers style, protection and comfort. Upgrade your car interior with confidence. Choose from over 50 colors and designs. Enjoy easy installation and hassle-free returns. Transform your vehicle with Oasis Auto today. Click the link to explore all styles and buy now.